second round of the second set of competition. Michigan Marathon, baby.
Tied 2-2.
What you get, son? What you get? You get something? Alrighty. Joker misses opening first this time. Pikachu. Switch. Tapik. Charmander. And another Victini.
That is not a victory.
Yeah, Victini's definitely not throwing victories in this. Maybe he has a victory in this 3-set for you. I've yet to get a full art in this set, other than Skyla, but it's not a Pokemon, so I'm not too thrilled. Josie, however, has everything except Skyla. And he's got something here.
Oh,
another freaking
and a Whimsicott.
Oh man,
I guess 2 points at least.
Yeah, it's 2 points. Another Crystal Wall. What the heck, man? You're being walled, son.
Yeah, I know. It's almost as bad as the Whimsicott now.
Yeah, but you got something here, I'm sure.
I don't know.
You think so?
Feels kind of
slippery. The shinies are really slippery. It's the easiest one to tell.
Yeah, you do take out after your Uncle Kyle.
Shiny Terrakion. Oh my gosh. God
and Pokeball. I needed that too. Reverse.
Oh my gosh. Shiny Terrakion, dude. Oh my gosh.
Thank you very much.
Is that like 2 ultra rares? That's 3 points. 5 points in there.
Bam.
Dang, dude. That's 2 shinies for Joe C tonight.
This is the 3rd Terrakion shiny I pulled.
Dang.
Nice.
Well, I guess I'll have to get one from you now. Alright, here.
Didn't I treat it yesterday? Or?
No, I got the Golurk from under.
Put this because I need this for this set.
You really want that Altaria, man. I told you, I'm like, yeah, it's probably a shiny because it's slippery. Joe, come on, pay attention. Stop on the phone, man.
Oh, I like this guy right here.
What are you doing?
So what's the score?
You got 7.
These blisters can go at anyone's game.
Mm-hmm. Charmander. Centipede, Venery, Psyduck, Tomat, Herdier, Sandslash, Petalil, and Pheasant. Sweet. I don't have them yet, so that's a win for me.
That's a win.
Alright.
Oh, you just got a glimpse of.
I didn't get a glimpse of anything, to be honest with you.
Oh, I did.
Yeah, Whimsicott maybe. Pikachu. Switch. Pipit. Squirtle. Sandshrew. Charmeleon. Wartortle. Boom. Taillow. Ooh!
Scolipede, nice.
Oh, Scolipede. I didn't even know he was in the set. Sweet.
Nice.
So it's filling my needs. That's 2 for 2. Oh crap, Ma. We were supposed to move the car for you. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ooh,
Mary said it's not too bad. She would just do it tomorrow, but.
Josie, that wasn't polite. Ashwat, Revenge, Duskull, Vullaby,
If I just do it
Spinda,
tomorrow, that means I also have to do it Thursday.
Luna,
I don't know what
Ragnall,
to do.
Voltorb, and another freaking Luna. Gosh, I hate you. Alright, so Joe, you completely killed me on that one. I got 1 point, you got 5. Thanks for watching.